Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Cantab Publisher video lessons. Before starting the lesson, dear student, you must have with you class 5 English textbook. We will start our lesson from unit number 2, the greatest reformer. SLOs of this lesson is use suffixes. We will understand and learn the use of suffixes. Now look at the page number 17 of your textbook here. Suffix. What is a suffix? A suffix is a group of letters placed at the end of a word to make a new word without grammatical change. A suffix can make a new word in one of the two ways. We have two ways here, type 1 and type 2. Let's first discuss the type 1 here. Changing singular to plural, like dog to dogs. I hope you have learned the concept of singular and plural. Singular indicates to one thing or one person, and plural indicates to more than one. Or changing present tense to past tense, like walk is present tense and walked is the past tense. Present means something is happening or something happened in the present is happening in the present, or past means something that is happened in the past. In this case, the basic meaning of the word does not change. These types of suffix are known as inflectional suffixes. When we change singular to plural and add es or s or other letters to make it plural, it is called inflectional suffix. We simply change singular nouns to plural noun. Like how? Like an example here, we changed dog to dogs here. What we have did, we have added s here to make it plural. Or take an example of verb here, walk, simply a present tense, like something is happening right now. Walk is a verb, is an action. We have learned about the noun and the verb in the previous lesson too. Walk is an action, and when we add ed at the end, it indicates that something is happened in the past. Someone walked in the past, which is happened, done. Walk in the present and walked in the past. So we have simply added ed here, and we have a change of present and past here. So it is called inflectional suffix. The addition of plural or the addition of changing or changes of present to past. Like simply we have added ed here. Or in the singular or plural, we changed dog to dogs here and added s here. This is called inflectional suffix. Look at the example here. Yes, we can also add ing too. Like here, these are the nouns here. The singular form of dog is, the original word is dog, and the suffix, the inflectional suffixes are dogs. We have added s here. Here, the original word is ox here, and the plural form of the ox will be oxen here. So you can see the difference of spelling here. We have added en here to make it plural and s here to make it plural. These are the suffix words. These called the suffix words. En and s here, these are called the suffix word, the additional words here, the inflectional suffixes. Look at the verb here, the actions here. Sleep, sleeping. Here we have added ing, the suffix here. It also shows that something is happening right now. The action is happening right now. So now we have an adjective here. Adjective is that which describes the noun. It can be color, opinion, size or smell. Like blue, red, small, tall, fat, ugly, sour, sweet. It can be anything. So we have a adjective big here. And we have added bigger here. This is the comparative degree of adjective. Big, bigger, biggest. So we have added the suffix er here to make it and to change it into comparative degree. Now look at the type number 2 here. The new word has a new grammatical change. Derived. Derived means लिया गया, किसी चीज से निकाला गया या लिया गया, from the original word. For example, teach is verb here. It becomes teacher when we add er here, the suffix word er here. So it converted into noun. Here the verb is teach, to teach someone. But if we added er here, it becomes noun. Or care, care is also a noun. If we add ful here, it becomes an adjective. I told you adjective is a part of speech which describes the noun. It can be opinion, size, smell or smell. So care is a noun here. If we added ful here, so it totally changed its meaning. It become adjective here, which is an opinion about a noun. For example, he is very careful. This type of suffixes is known as derivational suffix. The type we have discussed here is called derivational suffix. Let me give you another example, like child is a noun here and it becomes adjective when we add ish here, childish. It becomes adjective. It is describing someone that he or she is childish. It is an opinion about a noun that someone is childish here. Child is a noun, and if we add ish here, the suffix word, which is called the suffix word, the derivational suffix, it becomes adjective. So here the original words are, look at this, sorrow. If we add ful, the suffix here, it becomes sorrowful. It totally changes its meaning. Hood, prophet, so it becomes prophethood. The original word is prophet and the suffix is hood. Accident, accidental. Arrive, arrival. Look at the examples here. Helper, reasonable, useful, tenfold, homeward, worthless, dangerous. If we separate er from it, it will become help. If we pronounce this together, it will become helper. A noun become adjective. Reason, reasonable, useful, use. Tenfold, fold here. Homeward, ward. Dangerous, if we remove this ous, it becomes only danger. Worthless, if we remove LESS less here, it will become worth only. Now look at the page number 17 of your textbook. We have a exercise here of suffixes. Write the root word. The first one has been done for you. You have to write the root word, the original word here. The words are written with the suffixes here already. The first one is done for you. The original word is fit and ness is a suffix word. So you have to write the root or original word here. So failure become, if we remove ure from it, it become fail. And it totally change its meaning. Like how? Failure is means nakamyabi. And fail is nakam. Darkness become, if we remove this ness here, it become dark. Business become busy here. So we have to change I into Y here. Pressure become press. Payment become, if we remove ment here, it will become pay. Architecture become architect only. If we remove ure from it, it will become only moist. All these words have written here have its own meaning. And if we add the suffix word to it, it changes its meaning. Now look at the section B here, from new words by using the given suffix. We have given word, we have to add the suffixes here. These three suffixes here. NES, double S, URE and IAN. Yes, first one is done for you, pretty, prettiness. As I told you, when we have a root plus suffix word, when we remove the suffix from it, we change I to Y. Yes, like we did with the business. When we removed NESS from it, it become busy, BUSY here. So, pretty, prettiness, nasty, yes, nastiness. Again, we are adding the ness here, so we have to change Y into I, nastiness. Please become pleasure. Depart become departure. Technique become what? Technician. Yes. And magic become magician here. Good. This is your homework from summer pack. I hope you can do this very easily because we have learned the concept of suffixes. This is also your home task from textbook page number 12. This is from your unit number 2. What you need to do, you have to underline original words with the suffix word. Yes, the combination of two. The root word plus suffix word. You have to identify and underline all the words here. This is also your home task. I hope you will do this and you enjoyed my lesson too. Thank you.